Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an animated number counter to your Wix Studio website by using a custom widget embed, giving you more advanced animation styles and real-time data syncing in 2026. Let's get into it. First, generate your embed code from a widget provider. The first step is moving outside of Wix to find a specialized counter tool. While Wix has built-in options, using a third-party widget provider allows for more candid and unique designs that can sync with external data like your live subscriber count or market results. Open a new tab and go to your preferred widget provider site, like Elfsight, Common Ninja, or Power. Design your counter by choosing the colors, fonts, and the specific number you want to display. Once you're happy with the look, click Publish or Get Code and copy the HTML/JavaScript embed code to your clipboard. This is the sourcing phase. In 2026, many creators prefer external widgets because they offer advanced triggers. For example, the counter can reset every time a new visitor arrives or pull live numbers from a Google Sheet, keeping your software tutorials and data perfectly up to date. Next, open Wix Studio and access the Quick Add menu. Now that you have your code, you need to head back to your professional workspace to create a container that can read and display that external data. Return to your Wix Studio editor. Look at the top left-hand corner of the interface and click on the plus icon. This opens the Quick Add panel, which contains the most frequently used professional design elements. This is the integration phase. In 2026, Wix Studio has optimized the Quick Add menu so you can quickly drop complex code-based elements onto your canvas without digging through deep submenus, keeping your workflow fast and efficient. Lastly, locate and drag the iframe element. To make the external code work on your site, you need an iframe, which acts as a window to another part of the internet. In the Quick Add panel, scroll down through the list of elements until you see the one labeled iframe. It may also be called Embed HTML. Click and drag the iframe directly onto the section of the page where you want your animated counter to appear. Select the Enter Code button from the floating action bar. Paste your embed code into the text box and click the blue Update or Apply button. And that's pretty much it. To add an animated counter using an external widget in 2026, copy your embed code from a provider, go to the Quick Add Plus menu in Wix Studio, and drag an iframe onto your site. Paste your code into the settings, adjust the container size to remove any gaps, and hit Publish to take your new dynamic data live for all your viewers. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.